guys, welcome back to our channel, and make sure to subscribe. We have all of the ingredients to make a cupcake or a cake because we don't know yet. And first we're gonna begin with the batter.
Today we're going to do a box cake. Next time, guys, we promise we will try to do one from scratch without the box and just do our own ingredients.
Yeah. So here, you open it.
Okay. And what kind of cake are you doing?
We're doing confetti cake. It's rainbow.
Is that your favorite cake?
Yep.
Purple. The baby. Okay, go finish and then I'll go get the baby.
So guys, I have like a little baby sister that kind of is a little distraction. People say she's cute, people say she looks like me, and she actually does look like me. When I was a baby, she looked like me a lot. Like a lot. Because when my mom showed me pictures of you when I was a baby like her, I didn't understand which one was it. So it was like her or it wasn't me. I don't know which one was which because she kind of looked like me when I was a baby. So yeah, she's about to be coming in any minute. Here we have the eggs, we have the milk, we have the oil, we have sprinkles, we have the icing, you can't see it yet. And also we have the mixers, we have the molds, and we already have the batter inside. And here she is, right here. You need to see her. No, hi Happy.
Hi guys, this is Adeline.
Yeah. Say hi.
She just woke up right now.
Yeah, so that's why she's a little bit crazy.
You want to help, Sissy? Okay,
Give her the
what did you
plastic
do?
one. I put it in the bag.
Okay, so what are you going to do next?
Now we need to put in the eggs.
Okay, so here's your eggs. Okay, so she's going to put the eggs in, and Adeline wants to mix. Oh no! No, baby, no. Good job. You can throw it in the plate.
So guys, if you guys want to make these videos, make sure to comment down below.
Adeline's just watching me like, what are you doing, sissy? She's like, I want to do it too. Okay.
Yes. Can you go get a napkin, please, Mom?
Yes, I can.
And yesterday just made another video, so make sure to subscribe to. I think it was yesterday or something. No. Oh. The show went on me. That's silly. Cupcakes. Killer nasty flesh.
Okay, here's your napkin.
Eggs are really sticky, so make sure to ask an adult to help you all the time.
Yes, my love.
Next.
You want cupcakes too?
Next, we're gonna put the oil and the milk.
Okay. So she has 1/2 cup of oil that she's going to put in. Careful. Okay, and put it on top of the napkin.
Now.
Careful. And now 1 cup of milk. Does it look yummy? No?
Next, we're gonna stir.
Careful not to spill it.
Yeah. I can't see the yolk anymore. Must be hiding from me.
You want to
There
try
it
it? Hmm?
Yeah. Got you, yolk. Yeah. Got you again.
Like she wants to try.
So guys, when you're making cupcakes and you put it in the oven, make sure to add in the dough because you might burn yourself in the oven. Right, Mom?
Yes, ma'am.
Either if your dad knows how to make cupcakes, you can ask him, or if your mom knows how to make cupcakes, you can ask her.
Oi, oi, oi. You want to mix too? Hold on, let your sister finish.
She can try to
Oh,
lick it. You can try to lick it.
she's like, what is this?
Make sure
Look
to
at
put it in the oven.
mixing.
Huh?
Mix it. I see.
Oh my god. Mommy Adeline.
What is that, baby?
And guys, I have a shirt under and it says sweet right here. And I have a cupcake on it. We're gonna make cupcakes or something.
You want to try it?
And sometimes
Yeah.
it gets a little hard when you're mixing because it gets a little easy and for you can mix. But now it got a little hard on me, so. Okay, guys.
Oh my goodness. Okay, it's Adeline's first time making cupcakes. There you go, clean yourself.
It's delicious.
Okay, let me help you mix.
Mix, 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 mix. Yeah.
You can. I don't have an electric mixer. That's why we're doing it with this. Obviously, it's way easier with an electric one.
Yeah, we need to buy one, but since the coronavirus came on, we can't go to like a store. Little Johnny. And guys, if you guys want to go to a lot of stores, make sure you guys have masks. It looks like there's real confetti in it, guys, but it's actually sprinkles. So guys, if you think it's real confetti like on the picture, well, it's not. It's sprinkled. It might look like confetti because it has like these.
I think she's trying to tell you something.
What little baby?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think we're done mixing.
Yeah.
Now we just need to put it in the cupcake holders. So we'll be right back.
Such shoddy equipment. One drop.
Hey, what are you doing? Are you getting your sister's stuff?
What is it?
What's going on?
Allow me to present the world's first ever Super Turbo Wagon 3000.
It's blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Say blue. Adeline,
Can we play now?
Finally, you did it!
what do you want to play?
It's like a sticky game. So you throw the ball and you try to catch it with your little stick. But it sticks to the bat.
Ben. Ben.
Obviously not. It's my own improvement with me. I invented this.
Think fast, guys.
Maybe in a minute.
Okay. That was not even thrown to me. Ben, bebe.
You don't like it?
No, of course I don't. I mean, I do. It's really good.
My love.
Hello.
Adeline.
Masterpiece as a pastry chef.
Hey.
World is green with cream.
Hi!
It's original, just like you.
What now?
I have a job for you.
Sorry.
You totally threw it like at the door. You didn't even throw it at me.
Beautiful bows are important.
Yes, my love. Yes.
That's one behind you.
Throw it at Jay. Throw it at Sissy.
My GPS works. It's even telling you to go for it.
Hey, 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 hey! Ten, bebe.
Oh, I know.
Adeline, Ben.
I'm calling that a big
Adeline.
I don't want to be there with
It has a ball too.
matched drawers.
Guys, if you guys want to play this game, come.
Come through, y'all.
Yeah. That's what it means. Mom, can you give me the milk, please?
I'm just wiping them off.
You're so cute, baby girl. Look at you.
It's almost my birthday, so guys, so if we film a video on my birthday, please subscribe and give us a lot of likes, because that's my perfect day of my life. Because we're gonna go to the beach and it's gonna be fun because I'm gonna have one of my colleges. My friends can't go because we don't know if they have the coronavirus. Because the coronavirus is on and we hate the coronavirus. Okay guys, I'll be back a little.
Yes, so she's just going to finish putting her her little cups.
The little cup.
She's going to then put the batter in there, and then she'll be back after we get them out of the oven.
Yeah, when we are gonna when we get them out of the oven, we'll see.
Look at her over there. She's looking at her
dad.
dad.
Out of the oven, we just want to say thank you guys for watching our videos and thank you for subscribing.
And keep watching because she's not done. Look, I gave her a strawberry. Adeline, did you like your strawberry? Was it yummy? Was it yummy? Was it yummy? Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm going to get them on the table for you. Okay guys, so she is about to decorate her cupcakes. They came out so fluffy, look. We put, well, it looks so good, look.
This one is the colorfulest one, look. This one might be for me.
Look at Adeline over here enjoying a strawberry.
Yeah, and she probably will like, growing up, she's probably gonna like strawberry icing too. Well, on the strawberries, like kind of like chocolate covered strawberries. It's actually gonna be probably icing.
So she's going to just
Decorate it. And we have 3 color sprinkles. Red, white, like snow, and silver, like snow also. And this is kind of like Christmas because it's about to be, it's probably almost going to be Christmas or Halloween because Easter already passed. And it was so fun on Easter because we're cousins.
eat it.
And I was the first one, I was the first one to find the golden egg on Easter. It was easy peasy. It was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Or should I say easy peasy cupcake, cupcake icing, peasy.
Okay, so Jayleen is just about done. She only decorated some of them.
Yeah, this one's love, and this one.
So we're going to try Jayleen's cupcakes. I'm going to give Adeline one that doesn't have anything on it. So she's
not gonna try the loveless. That's that.
And I kind of want to eat one like this too.
Are you kidding me? Nobody wants my favorite one.
Okay, which one do you want me to eat? I just don't really like frosting, but I'll eat this one.
Okay.
This one has the least.
No, the other has like a lot.
No, not compared to these. Look, this one has a lot. And this one doesn't have so much. So
yeah,
I'll try.
This was mine.
Okay, so which one are you gonna try? You wanna try this one?
I'm gonna try that one. Yeah.
Okay, this one.
That one's full with love in this.
It was made with love, she said.
Yeah, all of these are made with love.
So they're going to be delicious, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
The ones with no icing, they're not full with loveness. But when the ones that my dad and Adeline were gonna eat, they're full of loveness.
Okay, ready? Mm.
Dad, they have a mustache.
Oh! What are you doing? What are you doing, Adeline?
My wish, I know it's not gonna come true. My wish is that I wish that I can have as many cakes as I want. Strawberries and cakes.
And cake all over. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. Make Jesus Christ, she just grabbed the cake. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will be back with more videos. Peace.